Okay, so this topic was supposed to be discussed earlier, but the textbook I'm referring to goes a little bit out of order, and in this topic we'll be discussing matrix addition. So, when it comes to adding matrices, there are two things that you have to follow as a student. One, each term can be added exclusively, so long as two matrices A and B are the same dimensions. So, what exactly am I talking about? Well, let me demonstrate with a few examples. So let's say you're given these two matrices. Based on what I said earlier, what would the sum of these two matrices be? Go ahead and pause the video and figure it out for yourself. So in this matrix, we're going to add each term exclusively. So we have -1 plus 1, which equals 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0, -1, -1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. And there you go. Now, this next example is going to be on the trickier side, and I'm going to show you in a short while. So let's say we're given two matrices with two different dimensions. In this case, we have a 2x3 and a 2x2. What is the sum of these two matrices? And if you were to plug this to a calculator, you will get an error. And as often the case when we're adding two matrices with different dimensions, it's just not doable. No, this next one is going to be tangible. And I'm just going to include this. What if you're given one column vector and you're adding it to another column vector? One question you gotta answer is, are these the same size? And if they are, what's the sum? Thankfully, I provided us really doable values, and it produces a sum of the column vector consisting of zeros. So this covers one key part of matrix operations, and that is adding them. With practice, you guys will, well, this doesn't take much practice. You just need to understand two rules that pertain to adding matrices. And in the next few videos, I'll cover other operations that may be on the more challenging side. Take care, everyone.